Everyone did so good, it was so hard to choose. I hope no one was upset or angry. I did it fairly. Whether you are my number one supporter or not.
Carré, on est sous moulax. Tout le reste enfoiré, que des cosses moulax. Ta moulaga, donnez-moi ta moulaga.
Before we move on to the winner, I want to say all the edits were phenomenal, and this was so hard, and I'm so sorry to everyone who didn't place, and I hope y'all aren't angry.